Switching from iPhone to OnePlus. Worried about losing WhatsApp chats, media, or business messages? In this video, we'll show practical ways to safely transfer your WhatsApp data and keep your chat history intact. Number 1. How to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to OnePlus with one tap. A dedicated desktop solution like Social App Transfer is often used when users want a structured way to move WhatsApp data from iPhone to OnePlus. How to transfer WhatsApp conversations from iPhone to OnePlus. Step 1. Download and install the Social App Transfer software on your computer. Then launch the application. On the left sidebar, select the WhatsApp icon. Utilize USB cables to connect both iPhone and OnePlus to the computer. Step 2. Enable USB debugging on both devices or follow prompts to let your computer recognize them. The tool will detect devices and assign source and target click flip if they're wrong. Step 3. Click Transfer in the lower right corner to begin the transfer from the source phone iPhone to the destination one OnePlus. Number 2. How to transfer WhatsApp data from iPhone to OnePlus with WazzapMigrator. Backup iPhone WhatsApp. Extract chat storage, SCLite, and media with WazzapMigrator. Transfer to OnePlus. Use WazzapMigrator to convert. Reinstall WhatsApp and restore. Number 3. How to migrate WhatsApp chats from iPhone to OnePlus using Cloud Backup. iPhone WhatsApp uses iCloud. OnePlus uses Google Drive. Direct restore isn't possible. Backup iPhone WhatsApp. Install WhatsApp on OnePlus and verify your number. Use a migration tool to transfer the backup. Number 4. How to transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to OnePlus via email. Open WhatsApp on iPhone and open the chat. Tap the chat name Export Chat. Choose with or without media. Select email and send it to yourself. On OnePlus, open email and download the file.